It gives me immense pleasure to invite these gentlemen who have been working incessantly to make our Hyderabad City Police stand best in all the areas, may it be maintenance of law and order, may it be cybercrime investigation, traffic discipline, our very own sheeting for that matter, CC cam installation, and most importantly being zero tolerant towards crime against women. Respected sir, I personally feel that such a huge turnout today of women to come out of their homes and willing to work is the feedback of your efforts put in to make Hyderabad city a very safe and secure environment for women. Thank you, sir. As we all are aware, women constitute roughly 50% of the entire population. This gives us a call that for a nation to develop fully, totally, 50% of the contribution should be coming from women itself. So if Hyderabad city would have got many crimes on women reporting, these women would have not even dared to come and aim for their economic empowerment and thereby contributing to the nation, sir. During those times when women were not even allowed to study higher grade, some true heroes, apart from accepting women in great positions, not only encouraged but also supports in their life to pursue their professional career successfully. And we women officers proudly feel that our CP sir is one of those true heroes who, in spite of being so busy in his IPS career, happily supports Srimati Vasundhara Sinha, IRS, wife of our very CP sir, to pursue her profession successfully, who is now a Chief Commissioner of Income Tax. So I am very proud to work under your supervision, sir. Thank you, sir, for being an example of encouraging women and their economic empowerment also. May I now request our very kind CP sir to please address this August gathering, sir.
A very good morning to all of you. Thank you, Sirisha. Mr. Muralidharan Garu from TMI, Sri Rajesh, my colleague in the department, Joint CP, East Zone, Sri Ramesh Reddy Garu, Srinivas ACP, all my colleague officers, and in front of you sitting here and all present in the campus, all young ladies who are ready here to start a new phase in your life, in your career. It is a matter of great happiness for me to be associated with this function, which will herald, which will start a new beginning to most of you, and through you to your family, to your future family, and that is how the nation building starts. So this is the first step of what can be called nation building, which all of you are starting today. My dear friends, it is almost more than 120 years ago that the world decided to celebrate one particular day as International Women's Day. And in the last 110 years, this day is celebrated in March. But we wanted to have this Job Connect, the Job Mela, 1 month before, because we wanted to tell to the world that Telangana and Hyderabad is 1 month ahead of India. So that by International Women's Day, when we are celebrating in the month of March, most of you are well settled in your job, and your initial orientation, initial training with the company where you will be joining is all done, and you are ready to take off. Just now Mr. Muralidharan Garu had spoken a very important thing, that value of time and place is very, very important. The present generation of youth in India, a boy or a girl, a man or a woman, indeed all of you are extremely lucky that you are growing up, you are settling down, at a time when things are really happening in the country. As you are aware, that 200 years of British rule made us poor, extremely poor. From 26% of the world GDP, which India was producing when the Britishers came to the shore of India, from that time, from that statistics, our country's GDP fell down to less than 1% of the world GDP when in 1947 India got independence. The richness of England was at the cost of the richness of India. And that is why initial decades of our development, we remained poor. It took lot of planning effort by generations and generations of young people to come to bring India to a level where now we are rubbing shoulders with all the top countries as far as technology is concerned. Whether it is Microsoft, Apple, and so any company you make, they are full of Indians. Now we are really standing on our own feet with keeping our head held high with pride in the international community of nations. This is the time when the job opportunities have become so diverse that if you have determination, if you have sincerity, if you have ability to do hard work, then success will come to your feet. Friends, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with the first step. And the first step is most important because that breaks the inertia of rest and motion. So today is the day of that 1,000 miles first step for most of you. And I would like to highlight here what is called dignity of labor. Every job is important. Every job has got lot of relevance, value, respect. What is more important is join it. Join and earn some good experience. Know the things. Broaden your horizons. And then if you are not satisfied, try to look for a second job. But an opportunity knocking your door, you should never say no. As you know, India is a highly populous country. 130 crore population. It has many disadvantages. That for every job you will have 100 claimants. Therefore, I request to each one of you that whatever job is coming to your hand with the initiative of Hyderabad City Police in collaboration with TMI, please grab it. Make a beginning. And as you grow ahead in the journey, so many new things will come to you. Ever since the state of Telangana came into existence in 2014, whether it is issue of ease of doing business, whether it is issue of safety and protection of women, whether it is the issue of control of crime, Hyderabad city is among the top in the country. And in many surveys, Hyderabad has been rated in the top 10-15 in the world also. I always give a small example just to illustrate a point that Hyderabad is safer than New York. How? New York City, every year there is a murder rate of 300 to 350. Whereas Hyderabad, it is 80 to 85. There are many issues in which the dignity of human being, particularly citizen-friendly policing, which has been in practice for last many years, this kind of emphasis by government is found missing in many places. On social media, every police station every day interacts with minimum 50 to 70 citizens on an average. Each of our sector sub-inspectors, station officers, ACPs, they are open to all suggestion complaints from citizens on social media. The foot patrolling, the motorcycle patrolling, the the patrol car patrolling, we are the only city in India which goes to the house of the citizen and collects the complaint. The FIR, for registration of FIR, people need not go to police station always. If you want to give a complaint, you can give it to the patrol car officers, blue coat officers, foot patrol officers. These are the initiatives which Hyderabad City Police has taken and which has brought us much closer to our citizens. Our heart always remembers one thing, that every citizen is a policeman and every policeman is first a citizen. Why I am saying all these things to all of you? That wherever you join the job, you should have a sense of compassion always. Everyone may not be as skilled as you are. If you are interacting in a team where others are not so skilled as you are, try to help her or him. It is the teamwork which brings the nation up. At the end of the Second World War, when the entire country of Japan was completely destroyed, from that time, within 3 to 4 decades, their technology reached and started matching USA. It is only because those 3-4 decades the entire country worked day and night hard, to bring the country to a level of technology which other countries were dreaming of. Individual excellence is definitely very important. But if individual excellence is supported by a good teamwork, the result is 100 times more. Here in this auditorium, maybe about 200 people are sitting. I will give you a small example which I always quote. The last World Cup football was watched by 8 crore people on television. 8 crore. The soccer final. Is it just a sports? Is it just an entertainment which people see on the television? I see it in a different way. 11 player on one side, another player, 11 set of player on the other side. What do they display? It's not just a sports. It is skill and coordination. Skill which they developed for last so many years, and coordination which they practice for last so many years. And what is the result? The result is sheer magic, which 8 crore people see on television. So when 22 people can create such a magic, which can attract 8 crore people in the world, I am sure Hyderabad city, with a population of 90 lakh plus, and with so many talented people like you, when we have a good teamwork, we can also create that magic. And we consider ourselves, Hyderabad City Police, and all my colleague officers, to be part of this teamwork with you, with TMI, with all the companies which have sent their recruiters, their HR managers, who would be taking interview from each one of you and matching your talent to the requirement of the job. So wish you all the best. May God bless you with a good career, happiness, success for you and your family. Thank you so much. Jai Hind.
जॉइंट पार्टिसिपेशन, जॉइंट वेंचर में फर्स्ट ऑफ इट्स काइंड इन द कंट्री एक जॉब मेला, जॉब कनेक्ट का प्रोग्राम एक्सक्लूसिवली फॉर विमेन, महिलाओं के लिए आज आयोजित किया गया। उस्मानिया यूनिवर्सिटी के इस सुंदर कैंपस में अभी तक 6000 से ज़्यादा महिलाओं ने अपना रजिस्ट्रेशन कराया है और इस रजिस्ट्रेशन में 30-35 कंपनी से ज़्यादा जिनके रिक्रूटर्स, HR मैनेजर्स यहाँ मौजूद हैं और क्वालिफिकेशन के मुताबिक, नीड ऑफ दी जॉब के मुताबिक दोनों को मैच करके ऑलरेडी 20-25 लोगों को जॉब लेटर ऑफर भी हो गया। हैदराबाद सिटी पुलिस के तरफ से पिछले कुछ सालों में TMI के साथ एसोसिएट करके 17-18 हज़ार लोगों को अभी तक जॉब मिल चुका है और ये इनिशिएटिव अपने किस्म का पहला इनिशिएटिव है कंट्री में। इसके लिए एक बार फिर हम लोग हैदराबाद सिटी पुलिस के तरफ से TMI के फाउंडर डायरेक्टर मुरलीधरन साहब को और उनके पूरे टीम मेंबर राजेश, संदीप, कृष्णा और सभी को बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देते हैं, जिनके इनिशिएटिव से आज कम से कम 2 से 3 हज़ार कैरियर शुरू होंगे। ऐसे मौके पे हमारे जॉइंट CP ईस्ट जोन रमेश रेड्डी साहब, उनकी पूरी ईस्ट जोन की टीम और एडिशनल DCP क्राइम ब्रांच शिरिसा रविंद्रन, जो शिखा गोयल के साथ शी टीम और भरोसा के इंचार्ज हैं, उनके इनिशिएटिव को भी मैं बहुत अप्रिशिएट करता हूं। और जितने भी नए कैंडिडेट आज आए हैं उनको सिटी पुलिस के तरफ से बहुत ढेर सारी शुभकामनाएं और साथ में एक ये अपील भी कि आप लोग जो आज नया करियर शुरू कर रहे हैं उसमें तजुर्बा हासिल कीजिए, अपना स्किल को इम्प्रूव करिए। कितना भी बड़ा जर्नी हो, द मार्च ऑफ 1000 माइल बिगिंस विद द फर्स्ट स्टेप, और आज आपका ये पहला स्टेप है उस बड़े जर्नी का। थैंक यू सो मच।
These people are the child, they are the heart of the candidates. Now, please tell me what are the expectations from this?
With graduation and with decent communication skills in US Healthcare. We work for US Healthcare and we are almost 4,500 workforce. And we are right now hiring more than 200 people for Hyderabad and 300 people for Mumbai. So there's a huge number of positions we have and we would like to really connect with the team. Please help us.
Thank you very much. Understand one thing, what noble cause they are doing. What they have confirmed is 200 people they need from Hyderabad and 300 from Mumbai. That's very nice. Now what to Mr.
Hi, great. I come from a company called IT Boom Corporation. I'm office based out in US, in Dallas. We are really freshers. College or past out graduates where was the basic comp skills were we go to the line. And we have a volume strength of having 50 resources. Willing to work in Hyderabad location. And we are based out in Hyderabad. Things are really good. Seeing the crowd where we didn't expect the last time also it was amazing when we had a decent crowd. So this year we're targeting to hire 50 resources per year.
Fantastic. This is what, they're quite optimistic. God willingly, by 5 p.m. or 6 p.m. you can expect maximum candidates will get selected. But this was just want to say a big thank you. That's what I've given to this organization. Very nice. Now the best part is they are representing this one from IPS coding firm. How things are going, how things are going, like how many candidates have come, what are you doing?
It's going very good. As of now, like we met
Oh, you made decided already, you met 200 candidates. Okay, what is the result like? How many got selected?
So I have to check the ratio. Converting it to voice is a bit difficult. So we are getting conversations to voice calls.
So you mean to say that based on candidates, if at all they are quite good, you want to select? Yes. But probably you are optimistic that you will select maximum candidates before 6 p.m.?
Yes.
Yes, sure?
Yes.
And what about you candidates? How things are going? Things are okay? Hope you are optimistic that you will get jobs. Fine. So I wish you all the best. Thank you very much. all the concerned persons are standing here. Even though they are quite busy, I just asked them for 30 seconds time because they know the candidate stand is quite important. Thank you for that. Now, what do you think? Like, how many candidates you can select?
We are expecting almost, I would say that we have 200 open positions. I'm at least looking for somewhere around 30 to 40 selects from here because I see a lot of passion in the workforce for coming over here. So we are very positive about this and we would really like to thank the SHE team and everyone who had put this efforts in bringing campus and corporate together, and we are looking forward on a positive note.
That's what, the best part what he has is, he has an attitude of gratitude. What he means to say is that first of all, he wants to say thank you to all the wonderful people who has organized this event. That's very nice of you. Now, I can say that I can request you select maximum candidates because, if you select, it everything comes. Thank you very much. It's a privilege and honor talking to you. Thank you so much. Hello everyone, it's a privilege and honor to have such a great personality. Sir's name is Mr. Muralidharan sir. He is the founder of the TMI. Close to 20,000 jobs, they have to common citizens, sir.
I think in this context of girl child, I think we need to tell the parents and siblings what the CP said. They have to believe in their own children. My problem has been that most of the girl children, they get a job, but within 3 years they get married, parents, husbands, mother-in-law, don't allow them to work.
Actually, Mr. Hemant, they represent this IT incorporation. Now, how is the process going on? Okay, so what do you think? How many candidates by evening you will get? Minimum 10. So she's quite optimistic that probably before 5 p.m. she's expected that 10 candidates they will select. So thank you very much for your time. I understand you are having a tough time, but please select maximum candidates. That will be great thing. Thank you very much. He is representing a new cell. So how many job positions do you have, Rajma?
Recruiting for 2 positions.
Okay.
Executive as well as customer care.
So how many positions you said?
2 positions.
2. That means by 5 p.m. you are expected that you will select your candidates. Okay. So I wish you all the best, Rajma. All the best, students. So I wish you all the best. The efforts what you are putting in, I definitely understand. Hard work never goes unrewarded. I can say that, and I can see lots of candidates are there. I don't want to take much time. I just want to say wish you good luck.
Thank you. My pleasure.